What's going on, boaters? We just got in a fresh new trade, a 2021 Nautique GS22. This boat is beautiful on the outside with your sparkly blue and white exterior. Let's take a look on the inside. Starting off in the back, you have your two transom seats, your cup holders. You're gonna have a nice big transom walkthrough into the boat where you have lots of seating, lots of in-seat storage as well. You have your lighted cup holders, your JL audio. You have your seat that you can face towards the back. You're even gonna have a pop-up one over here. So all you have to do is unclip this, flip that up, and now you can be facing the back, watching all the wakeboarding, surfing, all the water activities going on. You have your co-captain seat, your captain's seat. You are gonna have your rotary knob, so you can control the screen from there. This boat has 513 hours on it, still has a lot of life left in it. And then in the front, you have your nice big bow with your bow filler cushion, or you can take it out. Either way, you're gonna wanna come and check out this boat at MarineMax Crosslake or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you out on the surfing boat yet this summer.